Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chelsea. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm sorry I look like a hot mess. I'm looking at myself in the camera right now and I'm like, oh my god. Okay. Alright, well today I decided I'm going to be doing a video with, obviously, using the Colourpop. It's pretty much kind of like a Colourpop theme, actually. I don't have like a total face in Colourpop, I don't think, but it's like a Colourpop thing. So I'm gonna be doing tutorial, I guess, using the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette looks like this. And then I'm also going to be using, I have every single one of these, and I've never used them yet, so it's kind of like a first impressions. So, and of course Ariel is my favorite princess, Disney princess, so of course I had to use Ariel first. So I'm going to be using the Ariel one. It has a, if you open it up, it has the, what is this, a lip gloss? I haven't even really looked at them, to be honest, and I got all these for Christmas. Oh shoot. Okay, well this is a, what is this? Yeah, it's glossy lip. Okay, so I have the glossy lip color, and then I have the lipstick. It's so pretty because it has like all the Disney princesses like names and stuff on it. I don't know if you can even see it, but okay. So then it has also the Under the Sea. It's a super shock eyeshadow like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial for you guys today, and I'm sorry if the lighting sucks right now. The sun is going in and out, and so yeah. So if you are wanting to know about the Colourpop Disney Princess eyeshadow palette and the Disney Princess collection, like this, they have Belle, they have Jasmine, they have Ariel, they have Snow White, some other ones I don't remember. But if you want to keep on watching and ready for this tutorial, yeah, just keep on watching me. Alrighty, let's get into the video, guys. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if the... Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. So I'm gonna just kind of put it on my face. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear my cat in the background. My cat is meowing right now at the door because she wants in. So I'm just gonna kind of blend. Oh yeah, and I'm using my, for this video, I'm using my Ariel Little Mermaid mirror that I got from Hot Topic. Okay, so now that I did that, then I'm gonna put some eyeshadow primer, which I'm using the Essence eyeshadow primer, which is amazing. It's really cheap too, and it's amazing. So I'm just gonna kind of put it on my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna use my blender to blend it out. And so to not make this video ultra long, I'm just gonna try to do one eye first and then do the other eye off camera. So let's see what colors we want to use, because I really want to use the, because I've never used it yet, so but I wanted to do this like Colourpop theme, so I really want to use the super shock shadow. So let's go in with kind of a lighter color eye at first because I'm gonna put this on. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. So I'm just gonna go with my Alamar eyeshadow brush, and that I got in one of the boxes, BoxyCharm boxes. And then I'm gonna grab my mirror. I'm just going to put it all over the eyelid a little bit, in the crease. This is just kind of a base to get that soft look. I'm gonna be extra today. Do a little bit more. Okay. So then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Ray. The shade right there. And I'm just gonna kind of go in, and I'm gonna mix it with Grumpy. Just gonna kind of go all over. I'm gonna mix it with Grumpy right here a little bit. Okay, just gonna go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Thingamabob right here, using the same brush, and I know it's kind of a shimmer, but I'm just gonna go in with it anyway and kind of go all over the lid a little bit. Because really, I'm just gonna kind of create a base for that green eyeshadow to pop on there. So now I'm gonna go in with the Super Shock eyeshadow quad. It's like uber green. Trying to see if I have another brush that I can use. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with another brush. So then we're gonna go in with it. We're just gonna kind of pop it in the all over the lid. We're just gonna pop it to the lid. And that's like really pretty. So I really like it. Okay. So I really like it. I really love that color. Was this the color brush I was using? Yeah. So I really like it. I'm gonna go in a little bit more with Thingamabob because I really like the combo and how it looks with the green. So I'm gonna kind of go in with Thingamabob and kind of go at the top a little bit, all the way to the eyebrow with this look. Because I love that little shimmery look it's giving me right now. Now I'm gonna go back in with the green. Okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna bring y'all in a little bit closer so y'all can see. that's how this looks. I think it turned out pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the other eye real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did the other eye. So that way they look identical. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip scrub on my lips right now, so I can have it kind of sitting and exfoliating my lips. So I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Strawberry Gum lip scrub. This one's well loved, you can see. Okay, so I have that on my lips. So now I'm gonna go and prime my face. So I'm gonna be using the Rose Gold Farcilia for the primer. Okay, so I'm gonna be, ooh, I did too much. So I'm gonna do them. Okay. Alright, so now that I did that, now I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. Since we're on our Colourpop theme. Oh, sun. Looks like this. It's like the whitest shade probably. So I'm gonna just kind of tap it on. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with my blender. I feel like I need more, so I'm gonna add a little bit more to my face. So just kind of blending it out. Okay, so now that that's done, now I'm gonna go in with the concealer, No Filter Concealer by Colourpop. So I'm gonna go in with that, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Blend it in. Blend it in. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and lick this stuff off. So then I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop No Filter powder. Just like that. And I'm gonna set my foundation. And this does have a mirror, so I'm just gonna use this mirror. Nowadays, they're coming out with so many things that don't have a mirror. So, alright, so I like that. So, next, I'm going to go in with some blush. Where is my blush? Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with my Alamara blush. I'm gonna go with the, I don't know how to say the name, so I'm gonna go in with this middle color right here. So, really like it, and I'm just gonna go in with kind of like a light hand. Okay, so I did the rest of my blush and my highlight and my eyeliner and mascara off camera, just because y'all seen me do that millions of times before, and I didn't want the video to be ultra long. So next I'm gonna be going in with the lipstick though that came in the Disney Princess and the lip gloss. So let's give it a whirl. So I don't think I've ever tried the Colourpop lipstick, or lip gloss for that matter. The only thing I have tried is the matte liquid lips and the velvet, or it's not velvet, what's it called? I don't think it's velvet. I think I'm thinking of Kylie. I like the lip gloss though. It's very buttery. Made a boo-boo. I like it. I like the lip gloss. I like the look. I'm digging it. And of course, one last step. You know what the deal is. Y'all know what the deal is. Okay, so let me bring you guys in closer so you guys can see. What it looks like. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like it. If you do, leave me a good sweet comment and I'll do some more tutorials for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please, for more videos. Tell me in the comment section down below what you guys want to see. And yeah, I really like it. I really like Colourpop. Colourpop would probably be one of my favorite brands because they're affordable and the formula is really good. It's really great. It's like, it's high-end formula for an affordable price. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit your notification bell so you know when I post all the time. And don't forget, I post every Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Thursday, Friday, Sunday. Don't forget, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. So look for my video. I always post at least between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. So yeah, look for my videos. I make sounds a lot throughout the video. I'm so sorry. That's just me. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna let you guys go now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.